Your Honda has a versatile center console that can handle all of your storage, accessibility, and comfort needs. To start, the padded armrest on top can slide back and forth as desired for comfort and support. Plus, it swings open to allow access to the console storage compartment. The sliding compartment tray features 3 convenient modes to store your belongings. In the normal position, the sliding tray is fully forward, providing you with an ideal place to keep smaller items close at hand, such as keys or a credit card. Slide the tray backwards to allow use of the deeper storage compartment while still maintaining access to the tray. Finally, fold the tray back to reveal plenty of space for larger items, like a good-sized handbag, where it's easily accessible and won't topple over when going around turns. Now let's take a closer look at the available connection ports. Your vehicle has a 12-volt power outlet on the right side of the storage compartment. Below the gear selector to the right, you have a 1.0 amp USB audio interface port marked with the USB icon. In addition to charging devices, you can plug in a USB flash drive here to play music files through the audio system. To the left, you also have an additional 1.5 amp USB port labeled with a smartphone icon. Note that this is the only USB port that can connect your smartphone via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Select trims also feature a pair of USB ports at the back of the center console to be used by rear seat passengers. These rear ports, rated at 2.5 amps each, are intended only to provide high-speed charging for personal devices and are not integrated with the audio system.